Operation Michael German. Unternehmen Michael was a major German military offensive during the First World War that began the German Spring Offensive on 21 March 1918. It was launched from the Hindenburg Line in the vicinity of Saint-Quentin, France. Its goal was to break through the Allied Entente lines and advance in a northwesterly direction to seize the Channel ports, which supplied the British Expeditionary Force BIF, and to drive the BIF into the sea. 2 days later, General Erich Ludendorff, the chief of the German General Staff, adjusted his plan and pushed for an offensive due west along the whole of the British front north of the River Somme. This was designed to first separate the French and British armies before continuing with the original concept of pushing the BIF into the sea. The offensive ended at Villers-Bretonneux, to the east of the Allied Communications Center at Amiens, where the Allies managed to halt the German advance. The German army had suffered many casualties and was unable to maintain supplies to the advancing troops. Much of the ground fought over was the wilderness left by the Battle of the Somme in 1916. The action was therefore officially named by the British Battles Nomenclature Committee as the First Battles of the Somme 1918. Whilst the French call it the Second Battle of Picardy ou Bataille de Picardie. The failure of the offensive marked the beginning of the end of the First World War for Germany. The arrival in France of large reinforcements from the United States replaced Entente casualties, but the German army was unable to recover from its losses before these reinforcements took the field. Operation Michael failed to achieve its objectives, and the German advance was reversed during the Second Battle of the Somme, 1918-21, August 3 September in the Allied 100 Days Offensive.